For her time. Over 15 years, every Saturday morning, we come for breakfast.
Tastes good. Whoa, what is? Hey, what's up, guys? What's up? It's your Jamaican girl, Trisha. And today I'm at Alternative Restaurant. What's the name of the restaurant? Cole's Restaurant in Red Hills. Interestingly, on the menu, we have cornmeal. Yes! And I'm curious as to, I don't know about cornmeal. Comment below and tell me if you don't ever eat it and what you put in there. But I have a lovely lady here today. She's going to tell you her name. She's going to tell you the ingredients of the cornmeal. Alright?
Janet Jackson.
Again, Janet Jackson.
So cornmeal, prepare it like fry up the seasoning, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. Fry up that, then you put in the coconut milk, the saltfish, then you put in the cornmeal, stir it up, and then make it simmer, cover it, make it simmer and steam nice. Well moist and nice, cornmeal.
So this is one of the patrons who is actually having the cornmeal. Very good. So do you have a lot of persons who come and buy it?
Yes, once you do it on the menu, that's the first thing finished.
Tell us about it.
For her time. Over 15 years, every Saturday morning, we come for breakfast. It used to be 6 of us. It's just the 2 of us left because there are 4 people died.
Wow.
Now we have 2 customers that they have a regular Saturday morning customer. Every Saturday morning they have breakfast with us. And lunch meals on the menu.
In over 15 years, every Saturday we have breakfast right here.
Alright. Oh. So you like the cornmeal?
Every Saturday morning we are here for breakfast. It's not always cornmeal, but it just vary from one thing to the other.
So what do you think about this generation? Because this generation don't know nothing, you know.
They don't know nothing about that.
They don't know nothing about cornmeal.
Some mornings is susumba. You know susumba, what they call susumba.
Yeah man, me know susumba.
Some mornings is that when it's in season. But it's the old traditional meals whenever it's out there.
Okay. So guys, you heard it. I'm going to be getting my cornmeal and I'm going to rate it. So you will see when I get it, I'm going to show ya. And tell you how it tastes. Guys, our Jamaican culture is one of the richest culture in the world. I'm wondering if there are other countries that do cornmeal. Comment below, let me know where you're watching from and tell me if you ever have done cornmeal. I remember when I was a child and I had it with Aki. Cornmeal and Aki. Nice, you know? Yeah, but I haven't had it in a long time, to be honest. So today, me I go taste it again. And me I go tell you no. And then guess what? Maybe somewhere down the line I try to make it for myself. And you know, see the lady give on the recipe. No, I go make on a cornmeal. Yeah. Say that again. So I'm hearing a little bit more information. You were saying that the Bajans,
Yeah.
they do it and what they call it? Fufu.
Yeah.
Alright. You know, see, we're getting a lot of information.
Because they always have to use it with flying fish. So it's flying fish and fufu. Fufu and flying fish.
Oh, wow. Interesting. So what's your name, sir?
More.
My name?
Moore. And you are?
Lee.
Desmond Lee.
Desmond Lee. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. So guys, let me just get the order and I'm gonna show you what's going on in there. Alright guys, so look over here. So it's the cornmeal. I have ackee and saltfish here. So callaloo and saltfish and green banana. I look good here, man. Alright guys, so as I told you, I'm going to be rating the cornmeal out of 10. Look at it guys. Take a good close look at it. Don't call me a chopper girl. Alright, so let's go. After 2, 1, 2. Nice. Wow. I mean, like say it's not too salty. I like it. I wouldn't like eat it every day though. Like every now and then I would eat it, but out of 10 I'm gonna give it 8. 8 out of 10. Tastes good. And a little bit of the ackee and saltfish. That good. Callaloo and saltfish now. Alright guys, so comment below and let me know where you are watching from. This is your Jamaican girl. Thank you for sticking around. Of course, don't forget to hit that like button, press the post notification bell. Me sound if you pop it down. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Love you all so much. Jamaican this and that. You wanna know how Jamaican chat and yam and live and all of them things. Anyway, bye guys. See you in my next video.